I started this dropshipping store with just $50, and over the last 45 days, that turned into over $50,000. Literally, 45 days, $50, that's all this took. Now, here's what I'm doing in this video. First, I'm gonna show you the store so you can see it's real. Then we're gonna rewind all the way back to day one. When the store didn't exist, the product wasn't picked, and $50 was all I had for the budget. And I'll be walking you through every decision in the exact order that I made it. Where by the end of this video, you're not gonna just know how I did it, but you're gonna be leaving with the exact same roadmap I'd hand you if you sat down across from me with 50 bucks and asked me where to start. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Okay, so this is the product that the store is built around, and this store is called Sorel. And the product is just basically a hydrating mouth tape plumper that you wear while you sleep. I have 3 different pricing tiers right here, and as I scroll down a little bit, you're also gonna see all these different UGC creator videos, a section explaining the product, and even a before and after of people that have used it. The main goal of this site is just by the time that the potential customer hits the bottom of this page, every question that they had about the product was already answered, so the only thing left to do is to buy. But this video is all about how we started this whole thing. So let me go ahead and walk you through and show you exactly how I was able to find this winning product. Now, when you got $50, your product isn't just your product, it's also your ad budget strategy. And let me go ahead and explain what I mean. A product that's easy to sell, it needs less ads and less money to sell it. But a product that's hard to sell will eat that $50 budget in 2 days and give you absolutely nothing back. So when your budget is small, you don't get to just pick something that you hope works. You have to pick a product that is going to maximize your chance of selling. And before I show you where I found mine, I run every single product through what I call my 4 green lights. And if a product doesn't light up all 4, I don't spend a single dollar on it. And this is exactly how I found my winning product. Starting with green light 1, and that's that it's selling right now. I think people would want this. I need to see live proof, like real engagement, real orders, real people buying this exact product this week, because if the demand is not already there, $50 is not gonna be enough to create it. Green light 2, the margin protects me. I need to be able to sell each product for at least 2.5 times what it cost me. And honestly, I'm really looking for like 3 to 4x. And here's why that matters at $50, is your margin is your room for error. Having a thin margin means one bad day of ads will completely wipe you out, but a bigger margin means that you can miss and still be in good standing. Green light 3 is solves a real problem. I want a product where you can see what it does in 3 seconds of the video being played. If I have to sit there and explain the product, I have to then pay to explain it. An explanation is expensive, but demonstration is cheap. Green light 4, an everyday person can and will buy it. The bigger the pool of buyers, the cheaper it is to reach the next one. So now that you understand the 4 points, let me go and show you how I ran this product through this exact filter. Okay, so this is AutoDS, and this is where I do product research every single time. So let's go ahead and go through our checklist. So that first green light is that it's selling right now. And look at the competition. I mean, there's store after store running this product. 1 packs, 2 packs, 3 packs, subscribe and save plans. And guys, nobody's building a subscription plan for a product that's not moving. So it definitely has demand right now. Now, we can go back over to AutoDS and look at the ads library and just click on any videos that were made for this product and see if it actually is solving a real problem. So let's go ahead and click and look at this video right here. And this is extremely important, so I want you guys to see this. Look at this right here in the comments. You can see all the people talking about what this product does for them, and then the video is showing what the product does right away. But what makes this product perfect is everybody sleeps, and half of them, they sleep bad, so it has a basically endless buyer pool, so you can see exactly why I went with this. And let's look at what this one tool just did. It just gave me the answers to all my questions in literally minutes. I have the competition, the demand, the winning content, all right in front of me in one single place. And it used to genuinely take days or weeks to gather this much data, but AutoDS gives you all of it, which saves me a ton of time on product research. And if you want to go ahead and get started with AutoDS, it's only going to cost $1 to start. So that $50 is pretty much all still in my pocket. And if you want to go ahead and give it a try, the link is right below this video in the description. So we found a product, we validated it, and then my $50 pretty much hasn't even been touched yet. But you're probably thinking, okay, AC, I know everything about the product, but where do I actually get it from? And that brings me to where I source this product from. And for that, I use TeamDrop. So the product itself on TeamDrop is going to cost me right around $7.25 per unit with shipping. And if you remember what I just showed you a second ago of all the competitor stores, they were selling this product for a little bit over $30. So it definitely does meet the margin that I'm looking for, that I just talked about, of looking for 3 to 4 times the cost of goods for what I'm able to sell the product for. Where all I had to do to add it to my store was just click this list to store button right here. And then on TeamDrop, they're going to be able to handle all the fulfillment automatically, where they ship the product and I never even have to touch or buy a single single product up front. And that's what allowed me to scale this product so fast without having to manually process any of the orders on the product because they handle everything themselves. So if you need a good supplier, I'll also go ahead and leave Team Drop linked in the description as well. Now, this next part is the one that everybody's scared of, but it only took me 5 minutes to complete. And I need you to hear this because this is the part that used to scare off 99% of dropshippers before they even started. And that's that the website is the easiest part of this entire business. And don't get me wrong when I say this, it used to be the wall. I mean, people would spend a month tweaking every little detail about their store. But now, AI will literally build your entire Shopify store for free, where all you have to do is just edit it. But here's the thing, fast doesn't automatically always mean good. So what actually does make a good website be considered good? It comes down to 3 things. And these were at the front of my mind while I was building out my store. First is I gotta have a product page that's gonna answer questions before they're asked. By the time somebody hits the bottom of your page, there should be nothing left for the customer wondering about what the product does, how it works, or what happens if they don't like it. Second is proof from real people, like having reviews with photos, UGC style testimonials. You wanna have enough of these on your page that a stranger can come into your store and feel like they can trust your brand within only a couple seconds. Which brings me to the last point, which is trust signals. You have to ask yourself, would you put your credit card into a checkout on some sketchy, random web address? Well, neither would the customer. And I say this because your domain is the first trust decision a visitor makes, and they make it before your page even loads. And that's why this store runs on a .store domain, because it says exactly what this is the second someone sees the link. And it may seem small, but just doing that's going to build that trust with your customer almost instantly, where they won't have that fear of getting scammed and they'll just feel comfortable buying whatever you're selling on your store. Probably why like Mr. Beast and Rihanna and iShowSpeed, they're all using this .store type of domain. And right now you can actually get your .store domain for your first year for only 99 cents with my code ACStore at checkout. And it's gonna go ahead and be linked right in the description as well. 90 cents to look legit is the cheapest trust that you will ever buy. So now that you understand those 3 factors, let me go ahead and go behind my laptop and show you how I was able to build out this actual store. So this is the AI store builder that I used to build out this website. And after you create your account, all you have to do is pick a niche. And if you don't have one yet, don't panic. You can actually just click I'm not sure yet and move on. From there, you just wanna go ahead and grab a couple banners to start with, and then we'll go ahead and swap these for our own later. Then you're just gonna wait a minute, and from there, you'll click claim my store, and right after that, you'll hit activate my store. And now the AI is going to build out your entire store in less than a minute. Look at this thing. The store is now built, scrolling banner, image sections, full layout, where none of this existed 5 minutes ago. And once this foundation is built out for you, you're then just gonna have to go back in, drop in a couple of your own images, your words, and your product. But AI just did 90% of the work for you for 100% free. So now the product is picked, the store is live, and I still have almost all the $50 budget that I started with. But that ends now, because everything so far existed for one reason, and it's to make this next part as cheap as possible. So this is where the $50 budget really gets to work. So this is the ad account from my store. And that first $50 started on this video right here, and you can see that it says $49.70 spent. And that budget got me some purchases. And then those sales bought my next round of ads, and that round bought the next one. So obviously that $50 isn't what brought all of that $50,000 worth of sales that you saw at the beginning, but it is what definitely started the loop, because you can see right above the ad, there's others with way bigger ad spend that got me a lot more sales. And that loop, I call it the compound 50, and the name is in the strategy. You're trying to turn $50 into a machine that funds itself, and this machine is ran through 2 simple steps. Step 1, creatives before anything. Your ad creative, the actual video that someone sees, decides more about your results than any setting inside Ads Manager. And a great creative makes a small budget look humongous, but a weak one makes your entire ad budget disappear overnight. And no, before you start commenting that I don't know how to do video editing or I'm not a videographer, neither am I. I'm gonna show you right now how I was able to do this. So the first step in this is you wanna find a winning ad for the product. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with this one right here. So now all I have to do is copy the URL and head straight into Ecom Boss and drop it into this section called the ad decoder. And what this ad decoder is going to do is it's going to break down the whole entire video, like the hook, the structure, the angle, every single piece of it, and tell you what was working and what wasn't. And then after fully decoding the video, it's going to tell you exactly what to do to make a better one than what the competitors are currently running. Where your next step is all you have to do is just pick one of the UGC creators on the site that you think fits the product the best. Obviously, I'm gonna go with a girl since this is a girl angled product, and I'll just go ahead and go with Destiny. So now I just go ahead and give it my product image, I hit render ad, and then I just wait for the output. And look at what it just created. did. All I did was just give a link to a video and a picture of the product, and it gave me back a real looking UGC style ad video in literal minutes. What you just watched me generate used to cost hundreds of dollars per ad and a week of waiting to receive it back. And I just got all of this done right in front of you for a tenth of that budget and time. Ecom Boss can make these ads in a fraction of the time while maintaining the quality of a real person doing it. And not to mention, it takes out the biggest bottleneck in dropshipping, which is learning how to actually make the ads. So if you want to start using Ecom Boss for your ads, which I do highly recommend, the link is in the description for you to get 25% off. Now, all those videos that I just generated leads me right into the second step, which is testing multiple angles. Every creative that I just made attacks a product from a different emotional direction. One leads with a problem, one leads with a transformation, one leads with a, wait, what is that curiosity? So all I did was take that $50 budget and I spread it across multiple different angles at a low daily spend. And then I do the hardest thing in this business, nothing. I take a step back, I let the data talk, the numbers then come back and tell me exactly what is happening. An angle that gets no clicks, well, let's get rid of that, let's cut it fast, let's not waste any time. But if I'm seeing an angle like this getting clicks and sales, well, that's your signal, where every remaining dollar plus every dollar that the winner brings back in then goes behind that, where your job is just to kill the losers fast and to feed the winner everything. That's the method that I'm teaching you. That's the compounding. And that's how the $50 that you now have as a budget will find you a winner and continue to keep letting you scale. And I do want to be straight up with you guys real quick about where I almost blew this, because this is a real case study. The first big issue I encountered with this product is I put the biggest part of my budget behind the angle that I liked the most in my opinion. But then the data came back and it showed me that the angle that I wasn't really paying attention to was actually the one that was printing. So if I would have sat there and trusted my own opinion, my own taste over the numbers for more than a week, well, this video would not have existed. And that lesson cost you nothing because I already paid for it. So let me just leave you with this. Your opinion is not data. Just let the $50 in the data do the real voting and the decision making for you. But here's the thing nobody tells you about letting the data talk. And that's at $50, the data barely whispers. You're not gonna have 20 purchases to compare. Some of these angles might end up getting 0 sales in the first few days and still be your winner. So if purchases are the only signal you know how to read, you're flying blind at exactly the moment that the decisions matter most. And that's exactly why I almost cut my winning angle, is because I was only looking at one number. So my team and I put together the exact cheat sheet that we use internally. Every signal that we look at before purchases show up. And these are all ad metrics like click-through rate, cost per click, CPMs, watch time, add to cart, what a good number actually looks like at low spend, and which combination tells you to kill it versus just wait to feed it. And honestly, it's the difference between guessing and knowing on day 2 instead of day 10. And this guide is completely free and it's linked in the description. So go ahead and grab it before you spend your first dollar, because that $50 budget only works if you can read what it's telling you. So let's take a recap and look at what actually happened here. We landed on a product that set us up for the best possible margins and demand. The store was built so that the clicks would convert. And the compound 50 turned that ad spend into a loop that feeds itself, where $50 planted the seed that grew into over $50,000. And you've now got the whole roadmap. And if you want to see exactly how I use Claude to build this store, the link for that video is right here. So go ahead and watch this right after this. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.